Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's just Crafty Chantel and I am here with a crafts haul. So I have things from a few different places. So let's just get started. This is the Twirling Characters Craft Kit. This is box number 31. I got this from an HSN auto ship. And so it has these mermaids, dolphins, and a little boy and girl. There are a lot of videos out on this right now. I will eventually do a demo, but I can tell you now, I don't expect that I'm going to use these characters because that's not really my thing. I'm thinking about putting a sentiment on the inside. So this is the first item in my haul. It is the monthly craft kit from HSN. Next, I have another auto ship from HSN, and I really do love these. I like these a lot. So this is the decoupage topper pad, and this one is rose bouquet. So it's a bunch of sheets of the same page, 48 sheets of the same page. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different designs, and then you get the instruction sheet and the dies. And the way these work is that you tape the die down to the paper and then it will cut and emboss and you get this as a result. And I really like these a lot. I think these are super cute and just a real nice addition to your cards. And so in addition to the dies, you also get a stamp so you can color this in yourself. And then it also comes with a couple of sentiments. So especially for you, happy birthday, love, life in full bloom. So I think this is a really nice set. I really do enjoy working with these. Just bring in a tad bit more light. So this is also an auto ship from HSN. This is the Roses Decoupage auto ship. One of the kits that I really enjoy and get a lot of good use out of. A couple of other things I picked up over the last couple of days. So this is from Joann Fabrics. They do have the Hero Arts stamps and dies. So this is more congratulations, retirement, but this one fits so many different categories. New home, engagement, marriage, new baby, graduation, new family member, which I think that's a good one to welcome an adopted child, a pet, or a husband, wife, spouse, you know, someone new to the family. And then this Park Lane embossing folder. It's kind of that jacquard damask look. So I just went ahead and got this. I don't buy a lot from Joann Fabrics, but these two were on sale 30% off. So I went ahead and grabbed them. Next, I have a couple of things that I purchased on Amazon. So I did a video not too long ago about dies purchased on Amazon and whether or not they're good or not. I can do the same thing with these, but so far so good. I haven't had any trouble with them. So this one is called Flower Frame, and it looks like it's 1, 2, 3 dies plus an embellishment. So 4 pieces all together. And then this one is also Flower Frame, I guess. Oh, that must be the company name. And so this one is just a background die, like a create a card type thing. And then I got these Spellbinders nesting dies. The reason I purchased this set is because it's A2. So you can do all of your matting and layering without having to measure it out and cut. So I'll do a demo with these, but it just something to make it a little bit easier to do the matting and layering. So next I have my birthday week from Crafter's Companion. Yeah, I think this is birthday week, or it might be Black Friday week. So I have here Bottles Up, the stamp set, and I purchased this one because I like the champagne, I like the congratulations in it, and I really like these swirls. This one is called Best Dressed, and I need more retirement. A Dad in a Million, that's a good one. So I can do more like dad cards, more manly cards, but definitely I need this retirement stamp so I can do more retirement cards. Also during birthday week or Black Friday week, one of them, I purchased the foil letters. So this is 2nd Street, RDTH. So this will just complement that set. This one is called Loving Sentiment. So it's with love, best wishes, and thinking of you. So these are all for the foil press. Oh, it looks like it has thank you, best wishes, and sympathy also. Let me just pop this open, because that is, oh, 6 pieces. That's awesome. Okay. All right. So looking forward to using that to enhance my cards with the foil. I have not used my foil press in a long time. That might be something I do over the break. Then these are the dies that are basically the same as these, STRD THND. So I can do like happy 2nd anniversary, 50th anniversary. That's what I want to do with those. More for the foil press. I was able to get the Just For You, the With Love, and the Thank You. I let them get by me. They sold out on me, so I wasn't able to get those. So this is the, I think they call these the radiating dies. And it is foil stamp and cut die. Then more for the foil press. This is a vine trim. And then I'm always looking for more sentiment. So this is clear stamps, and it looks like it is maybe about 15 sentiments in this one. So these will be handy. Oh, and then there's belated, so in case you are a little late with the recognition. And then last but not least, ornate swirls. So I really like these because I can do these in like gold and silver, or even with embossing powder to enhance the cards with sympathy, thinking of you, and miss you. This is a new one that I'm starting to get more into. I'm just trying to do some cards with, you know, non-traditional sentiments and things for family members. Okay, so last but not least, I want to share with you my surprise box. So let me just make sure I have the right one. This is the Black Friday Surprise Bonanza Bag. And so I'll just walk you through everything that came in it. So it was $32. And so it included this Birds and Bloom. So it's stamps and some sentiments. I always love sentiments. I don't color stamps often, but if I wanted to, this is, and it's also a die set. So these are the outline dies where you can have it hang off the card. So that's pretty cool. That's something that's actually new. These are the, those gatefold dies. So You're My Best Friend. I didn't buy any gatefold dies, so that's helpful. Classic Congrats. I do have this one and I use it often. I bought the whole set. These two were in the Rose Gold set, which I purchased. So I do have these. I think I've used Wish. I'm not sure. I know I haven't used this because I haven't done much with this quilling or foam flowers. Garden of Love, congratulations. I have this die already. These two embossing folders, I'm pretty sure I don't have, even though I have something similar to this maybe with like the Cricut dies, and then Crafty Friends. So this will be fun as a card to send to my crafty friends. And then last but not least, the square box. So this square box is about 30 or 40, between 30 and $40 on the Crafters Companion website. I think that's with the 20% because I'm platinum right now for, I guess, what, about 10-15 more days. And so for me, this makes it worth it because I was getting ready to purchase all of these boxes, but I only purchased one, the hexagon box, and so then they sent the square box. So I'm happy about this. This one die cost more than the entire box. I think it's $29 on HSN if it's still in stock. So this one die costs more than everything here. So for me, this was a good deal, even though I have some duplicates that, you know, I'm not sure what I'll do with at this time. Maybe I can do a destash or something like that. But anyway, this is the extent of my recent purchases, my Black Friday haul. I think I still have a US warehouse sale package to come from Crafter's Companion. And then I did order a set of these dies, the box dies. So when I have those to come in, and then I have this twirling characters. And I also ordered from HSN on their Black Friday sale with the free shipping, the teacup compendium. So more to come on those. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and also hit the notifications button so you can be notified when I post new videos. Stay tuned for demos on a lot of the things that we've seen here today. Thanks a lot. Take care.